Squad Almighty game, baby.
Classy.
Tachi, where you going?
Go off on this bitch. That's where I'm going. This is for my exes. I told y'all I was gonna make a song about y'all bitches. Bitch, you should never got rid of me. Right from the very start, I told you what I was about. I told you I was a shooting star. I'm gonna make it in this rap game, flip the whole game upside down. I told you you were dealing with a shot-down clown. I represent to the fullest, to the motherfucking casket break. It ain't no limit to the shit, don't stop, girl. You should never get rid of me. Y'all bitches always telling lies. You can't see the pain in my eyes. Bitches ain't no motherfucking disguise. I'm coming after yo, fuck you. Bitch, I found somebody new. Somebody took your place. Damn right, you don't like that taste. Girl, you got me fucked up. You got me fucked up from the get-go. I gave you my heart, my body, my soul. You said you would never let go. You said you wouldn't walk away. But you did that shit to me all day. I'm not here to play no games. Bitch, I'm gonna flip the rap game upside down. I'm a shot-down clown. Now you calling me, telling me your man is beating your ass black and blue. Baby girl, I'm not your Superman no more. Baby girl, I found somebody new. You got me fucked up, girl. Woo! Hey, don't get me started. I get up on this mic and act fucking retarded. That's what you fucking did to me, girl. You don't know shit about me, girl. You should never got rid of me, girl. You should never did it, girl. Always been almighty. I never been afraid of fucking nobody. Almighty gay lords, almighty like kings. 2 nations, 1 God.